So let's begin the video without any delay. Open any browser. Here search for Handbrake. This. Go for the official website. Here go for download Handbrake, the official newer version. And it will be showing downloading, and choose the path where you want to download it. For example, I want to download it in downloads. There you go. After downloadation is done, open this exe file here, or you can simply open your file explorer and here go where you have downloaded the setup. Double click on it and press yes. Here do the setup, which is simply very easy. Press next and press install. Click on this create desktop shortcut and press finish. After that, the desktop shortcut has been made of Handbrake, and if you can't find it here, you need to go search here and go for Handbrake and click here on the APK and do everything it says, which is like compulsory. After that, reopen the APK and here drop the file, or you can choose a folder. For example, if you have a folder in which 5-6 videos are added, you can choose the whole folder and compress it. Or if you have a file just one video, which I am going to choose from, and I have added it on desktop, so I need to locate the desktop here, and there you go. This is the video I want to compress. So here's the video. Here you need to do few changes. So if the preset is fast, set it as default fast 1080p or 30, and you can go for generally a bit higher quality if you don't need to compress it to that small size. So here I choose it as is 1080p, or you can choose any of these options. It's depend on you. And go for web optimized. It will be made it more optimized for web. And here after that you need to go on here a little bit. Don't go on dimensions, filters, or you can do it on your own if you understand all this thing. And go on video. Here frame rates, choose it as same as source and go on constant frame rates. And also after that you need to choose the video encoder as this, or you can also choose the AMD one, or if you have any scene here NVIDIA one. Okay, so these tools are the same. And also go on audio subtitle chapters if you understand any of these. And here summary, you can also choose it as iPod 5G support. And here format, choose format as MP4, which is very easy to load on anything. After that you need to go and save as. Here you need to find where you need to save it as. For example, for your understanding, I'm going to save it as in desktop to show you after that. So first of all, if you're facing this problem, just rename it. Remain it as compressed video and press enter. And then you need to go here and you need to start encode and wait for it till it's encoded. After that it's encoded, so there you go. Is the compressed video and this is the original video. We do as direct comparison. These two videos are the same. It's just the compressed video which I just did, and this is the original video. 71 MB and 5 MB. That's around 90% of the size cut. And you can see here in details, here it's 1 minute and 4 seconds is 1 minute and 4 seconds. The quality is same. Little bit date rate has been low, a little bit bit rate has been low, but that's about it, very fine. Okay, so this was how to you compress the video, and this was a very simple video. If you find it very useful, please hit like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Have a very nice day.